channel or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I am showing you how to install this Shakira wig that I got on my head. It is giving Shakira. I got this hair from Julia Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 24-inch honey blonde water wave highlight wig. It is a 13x4 frontal, so it's a full frontal wig. And it is really cute. I'm not sure of the density off the top of my head, so it will be floating on your screen per usual. I always have to go back and research that. But the wig has their transparent lace. And this is what it looks like on the inside. They pre-pluck the hairline for you, and everything is already pre-colored and pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is what the pre-plucked hairline looks like, and this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has your combs on the sides, your elastic band, and a comb at the back, and then of course it is also on a dome cap per usual. And then this is just what it looks like fresh out of the box, just so you can get an idea what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like actually installed on my head. You can pull it up to the sides, you can do whatever you want with it, move it around. I have it on a middle part because that was my preference, and I like the highlighting, like how it like frames my face, so kind of wanted to keep that there. And yes, this is this is a water wave, so it came waved like this already. So before we get into the video, I just want to show you a little bit of what comes in the box. So they give you a dust bag for your hair, a wig band, which I already used, but it's really cute. It's so bright. It's like a neon orange, but you can't even tell because the lighting in here is weird, whatever. You also get a sheer wig cap. Both of these wig caps are ultra thin wig caps that come with the hair, and then they also send you a second, what is this, edge band, and a makeup brush if needed for your edits. So, but if you want to see me install this hair, then you gotta keep jumping right into the video. I'm just starting with my edge booster and my edge brush. And I'm gonna slick back my edges. I have a wig cap on. We're gonna pretend we don't see it. I came out of a quick weave and the wig cap is still attached to my hair because I gotta wash my hair. But yeah, so I am just gonna take my edge booster, and I'm just slicking back my edges in the front here, just so that it's smooth. I decided I don't want to do, recently I have not been installing wig caps with my frontal wigs, and it's because I realized I'm not the best at one. It's not that I'm not even good at doing wig caps, but it's just that because of the type of hairline that I have / had, I feel like my hairline is actually getting messed up, but it's a conversation for another day. But because of the type of like hairline that I have, not using a wig cap looks better on me. It looks more natural. Only because like my sides went out pretty far, but now it's like thinning, but like they go out pretty far, so it's like it was kind of awkward to try and cut a wig cap like that. Like while you can, it just wasn't working for me. So I'm not gonna use a wig cap, but I am gonna take the wig like this, and I'm taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just gonna color the inside of the wig a little bit. And I know I said I'm not using a wig cap, but I have one on. This doesn't count because it's not like on my hairline, so you're not gonna see it like on my forehead, you know. So I'm just lightly putting some makeup here. The wig cap itself is kind of already colored, but I can put some more color on this, even though I don't need it. So there is a back piece of lace on the wig that I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off. Oof. And I'm just gonna see how the wig fits without adjusting the wig band first. And if I feel like I need to adjust it, I will. Oh, pull this forward. So this is what it's looking like. So before I glue anything down, like I said, the lace already fits pretty good, but it's just like a little bit that I need to cut off back here. So I'm just gonna cut that. Do the same thing over here. So I'm just gonna apply the glue on my hairline, and I'm kind of just taking like a mental note of where the wig falls, like on my hairline. I like to like use my finger as like a prop, and then just apply it everywhere else. So I'm gonna roll it back, keep my finger here, and just put a couple of dots like this in between here. I try to skip where my hair comes down, and over like the years, like not even the years, past couple months, this part has actually been thinning a little bit. I think it's because like from like putting glue directly there. So I learned the hard way that I need to skip that. Alright, so now I'm rolling this down. Ooh. Make sure it's sitting where I need it to, and I'm just meshing the lace into the areas where I put the glue at. Alright, and then I'm just going to go behind it with my hot comb. I just feel like applying a little bit of heat to it helps. Even though I could be completely wrong, child, but whatever, it works for me. And then I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. All right, so this is done. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is just go in and cut the lace. First, I'm just using my big scissors to go up near the hairline. I'm gonna give it a snip just to get like all this excess lace off. That don't really matter. And then I'm just taking these fabric cutting scissors that I got from Amazon. I like these because it has ridges. So like when I cut the lace, it's not just in a straight line. And it helps make the lace blend better. Okay, so I got the lace off how I want. And now I'm going in with the Wonder Lace Bond Spray. And I'm just spraying it on the remaining parts, especially like here on the sides where I wasn't able to put the glue properly. It just helps lay it down better. All right. So I've let this sit. It's pretty good. And now I'm gonna go and do my baby hairs. It comes with a middle part already in it like this, so I'm just gonna keep the natural middle part and just put in, ooh, I'm gonna have curls like Beyonce. Okay, and then just put in my edges. All right, and then to suit my edges, of course, I'm just using my Eco Style Gel. And now I'm gonna wrap my edges, but before I do, I'm gonna take some more of my Wonder Bond spray. I'm gonna spray it like behind of where I put my edges, of how I did my edges on the lace behind that. Also near my sideburns. For my edges to dry and sit, I'm gonna just define the parting space in my hairline a little bit. So I'm just gonna roll this down just a tad. And like I said, it already comes with a part, but I just wanna widen it. That's good enough. Whatever you can't see, I'll fix with concealer. So now I'm just taking my Edge Booster wax stick and putting it along here. And then I'm following up with my Got To Be Free spray in my hot comb. And last, I'm just gonna spruce up the curls a little bit. I'm just gonna take some water and some mousse and brush through these waves a little bit, because they are giving out the box right now. And then my mousse is my Cream of Nature curling mousse. I'll run it through the waves. And I'm just gonna use my little brush. And I'm not gonna go too far up because I did like hot comb it, but I'm just gonna do a little bit, and then I'm gonna scrunch it at the ends. Now I'm just gonna wait for all of this to dry. Okay, so the ends have dried just a little bit, and I think my edges are done too, so I'm just gonna take this off. Woohoo, and everything is dry. Just one more thing that I'm gonna do, two more things actually. So first things first is I'm gonna use my concealer. This is the color Beige from NYX. And I'm just gonna make my parts more defined. I'm just gonna draw it out like that. And then I'm just taking more of my Ruby Kisses cream makeup, and I'm just gonna sweep my hairline one more time just to make sure it blends. So this is the finished look. It's giving Shakira. I feel real Shakira right now. But anyways, so this is what it looks like. I like that it has the blonde pieces near my face, so it helps like make my face pop and seem brighter. I like the placement of the highlights. So this is just a close-up of the curl pattern as it's installed. The hair, I can say, is very lightweight. Again, yeah, it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. This is 24 inches, so this is how far it comes down. Just a regular, normal length like this. Also, the lace was really easy to work with. It's their transparent lace, so it blended really, really easily into like my hairline. And you all saw how much lace I cut off. So I still have like this much lace on the wig, and it blends really well. Anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.